In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can restore a database in SQL Server. Now, the first thing you want to ensure is that your database backup is in a directory that your SQL Server have access to. So I'm just going to paste the AdventureWorks database here. Now, how you can confirm this? You can right click on your instance, select Properties, then select Database Settings, and you can see the location where your database server have access to. So I'm just going to select OK here. Right click on Databases, select Restore Database, select Device, and then browse for the backup. Select Add, and then here in my backup database directory it's showing the AdventureWorks database. Then select OK. Select OK. Now if you want to rename your database before you restore it, you can specify the name here. So I'm just going to say 25 and then select OK. And that's it. My database has been restored successfully. For more training, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link is in the description of this video.